All right, guys, so I think I'm going to turn this into another video here. So I just wanted to go kind of and show you guys a more in depth of me doing the carburetor work on this Articat here. It's a 98 Articat 300 4x4, and rebuilding the carb here after it's been sitting for, you know, a good amount of time, you know, many years, and I finally got it all freed up. So got a car rebuild kit right here, new bowl gasket, needle and seat. And the thing is with this old one is the needle, I believe is what it's called, you know, this little plunger piece actually broke inside there. And here is the other half of it. So yeah, guys, this was really bad, but I'm gonna see if I can get it all fixed up here. I got, you know, new jets, all that, so new screws. So I'm start getting it put all back together and go from there. All right, guys, so first things first is putting this little needle jet in there, which goes right in this hole right here. So I'm gonna get that all put in there. All right, and then I think we'll do this little plunger, which I believe is called the seat, next. But you want to make sure you lube it up. Get a little bit of grease or something on there, just so you don't rip this little seal putting it in. And it goes in right down here. Should just push right in there. Don't remember, I think there was a screw that held it on too, probably this one. I don't think it's in all the way, so I'll just give it a little tap. Alright, so I got it all slid in there, as you can see. So now I just want to put this screw in. It's a little keeper for it, so it doesn't come loose. Little retainer right there. Alright, and now I believe you can put your floats in. Which mine, I think I'm just going to wipe them off real quick. Alright, I just got a quick little wipe down on them. And then you want to make sure that your needle slides in the little tab right there. So it's got this little hook. You see right up here. Just slide that in like so. And then you just kind of set it right over top. And then there's a little pin that goes through there. Mine's a little bent, so I'm going to try to straighten it out real quick. You can kind of see it. Got a little bend to it. Alright guys, so I got it all straightened out now. And might be hard to pick up, but I think it should work now, so I'm not really sure if it matters what side it goes through on, but one might be easier than the other. But you just gotta get it started. Just slide it. The last little bit you might have to get with a pliers. I'll just try that here. You want to still make sure that it moves freely though. Mine's a touch tight. And you can always test it by lifting it and having it like this. Just lift up, make sure that it moves nicely. So that's how you know that you're good. And then, let's see, I just want to make sure that I got all my other jets in there. I think that was just all of them though. There might have been a screw right in the middle and a washer. I had a washer fall off of it right here. So I think this screw might have a little hole in the middle, so I'm gonna replace that one, which is right here. I got a new one. Sorry about the lighting, guys. It's kind of hard to see, but you can see the difference right there. Also, with these carb kits, when you're doing them, you want to make sure that if you can read the numbers on your old one, that they match the new one you're putting in. So this one should be fine. You want to make sure you get your washer on there. Get that put in the center here, right where it came from. And then we'll just get that tightened down with a flathead that actually works. There we go. And then I think that's about it. And now the bowl can go on there. And we'll just get that new gasket on the bowl. Make sure that it fits good and it's all in the groove. So that's looking pretty good. Something like that ought to do her. And then I got some new screws for it. Alright guys, so I got the carburetor all put together here. And so I got some new jets in there and a new bowl gasket on it and all that good stuff. So it should be ready to be put in. And I'm hoping I got these vents on the right side. Not too sure if it even really matters. But yeah, it's time to get this put in. And then I can hook up the throttle, which if we go here, yep, it's still working. And then I can get the cover on, and then the choke and the little throttle piece all put together. And then, I don't know, this is just the leftover stuff. I mean, I don't know. Didn't really need it. All right, so now that it's all good and flooded, let's see if it'll fire up or do something. Wow, it almost idled too. All right guys, so all I did was just take the choke off and start it again. And guys, it's actually idling and running. Like, guys, I am like so like impressed right now and like surprised. Like, wow. Now I think it's just burning off a lot of the tranny fluid from when I was trying to free up the motor and stuff, and you know, it just hasn't been ran in so long that's, you know, burning all that stuff off. But wow, guys, this thing might actually be a ripper, which just blows my mind. But this tire needs air, but I'm surprised that this is the only low one. All the other ones seem to be holding air, and you know, might also have just a tiny bit of an exhaust leak. But yeah, wow, there you guys have it. So I hope that you guys have enjoyed, and I might get a little riding video of it too, and this thing definitely needs to be cleaned, so you guys might see it again. But that's gonna conclude me fixing it up, so I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.